Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YFI, right, or YEARN.finance. YEARN.finance is currently at the $8,800 level. We are currently ranked at 246 with a market cap of about $294 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $37 million. And today we are going to be looking at what is the weekly open and what we should expect going forward right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So basically right here for YFI in the last 24 hours, we are up 1.3%. And without further ado, let us push over to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta, we're on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So last week we were a bit bearish right here on YFI, right? Especially with this chart which we saw here, we were expecting prices to wick into this $8,000 level. We saw that week, but as you can see, the bulls had this sort of massive buying price pressure right here for YFI, which boosted us up, right? So we have seen the open of the weekly candle. Now, basically, this open right here is not bearish, but it's not entirely bullish, right? So what I am leaning towards is that we could see more sideways price action this week, basically some sort of consolidation first in between these 8 to 9,000 before we probably see a breakout, probably to the upside, right? So I am leaning more bullish than bearish currently at the moment, but we could see some sort of consolidation. And if we just go to the daily time frame, the daily time frame shows it better. As you can see right here, we probably have flipped bearish on the trending EMA. So as you can see, the last time we flipped a trending, we saw this push to the downside, but we became only bearish when we lost the macro EMA. Currently, we are still holding the EMAs right here. So with a very high likelihood, we could see a breakout to the upside. So the weekly open currently is not bearish and is not bullish, but it is more bullish than bearish, right? Because we continue to hold the macro EMA, which means with a very high likelihood we could see a bounce probably during the week. But for this week, expect some sort of consolidation into the end of the week. Then we could see some sort of breakout. That's right there for YFI. So basically, that is our weekly price prediction right here for YFI for this week. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you for watching and have a blessed